Definitely start and don't hesitate to compete your first year. That was something we were thinking of, is just waiting 2 years, kind of refine our design. We are encouraged to just go for it.
If you don't like math, you can help people in the marketing team or the management team that are not strictly directly connected to math, but still a very essential part of the team. There's no specific classes for it. You only learn it by practicing it, and you're practicing on the team.
Hands-on building is one of the best skills you learn with this competition. There's a lot of design that comes with getting your aircraft ready for competition, and then when you're building your aircraft, you realize everything that is not right with your design, and you have to figure out how to fix that on the fly. You learn a lot more by seeing what you do wrong than trying to perfect your design. This has been a huge learning experience over the past 3 years, both in terms of leadership, growing the team from 7 people to I think now 35 people.
Even if your airplane just goes and crashes into the ground, being there is the best part.